Trenem Tingting Part 1, Lesson 6. You got enough information or no? Check him good. Stampa blo lesson, you must check him say you got enough information blo you may have come lo one straight lasting thing. Now, you could blo go straight lo calico where you tell him all different steps or lo road or method where you may start following. So you may tell him finish, think about, it means say stop, more think about say must make him one walk now. After scale him, you may tell him half lo scale him and me block carry out all information. So you may go through lo some example blow him finish. More you may look where you may must use some all information now, use them every information, more follow him good information, block come lo one straight lasting thing. But now suppose you look lo part blow scale him, the second half down, and we got one tok where tell him check him good. So one something where you must check him and me say you got enough information. So you must have a cut out all information. But suppose all information is small too much, not got enough. Nothing where you may make him walk, but cut out all information. But suppose you not got enough. You must say no, enough, but come on one straight lasting thing. So it got walk block cut out all information. After you got walk block check him all information where you may cut out. One law all check or way road block check him. And me block think about say you got check him say you got enough information or no. After go through the example where you stop the book where you tell him story block Sally where Hemi had him on news about one ship. Okay, now you look all information where you stop all is write him the book. More lasting thing where stop lo book to lo story where you may look where Sally now by Emiko Karim basketball him more jama lo sipia. So nothing where you may cut out all information, nothing where lasting thing you following good information, might me even yes me use some every information, but something wrong. More I think easy blow looks I say no Sally knows have enough something blow come lo Tingting here say by him jump up lo sipia. So always should talk about lo group because all question lo give an lo geta lo think about more to lo calico lo place down and me tell him question so him one chance where you me got lo tell him out lo get to say suppose you me no got enough information you me have ask him question blow find him out more. Finishing example, more use have a go lo one play where you stop lo resource book lo page 22 where tell him who ya mania. So one man you go outside, everyone or another one only think about one man or one something after mania and he come back more and we must ask him question where answer yes or no. More you could go got enough information now and we have a guess say yes. You really think about him yeah now. Purpose blow play too and me blow make sure say a question where you may ask him and me all straight one where you really point low one information where you may need him.